Buddhāvataṃsaka, the Flower Ornament Sutra, Chapter 5, the Flower Bank World. Next is a sea of fragrant water called Jewel Tree Peak, with a world system called Jewel Flame Cloud. Next is a sea of fragrant water called Displaying Light, with a world system called Entering Diamond with No Resistance. Next is a sea of fragrant water called Lotuses Adorning Everywhere, with a world system called Oceanic Abyss with Boundless Shores. Next is a sea of fragrant water called Array of Beautiful Jewels, with a world system called Treasury Displaying All Lands. Such seas are as numerous as atoms in unspeakably many Buddha fields. The one nearest to the surrounding mountains is called Indestructible Sea, with a world system called Lotus Blossom Setting decorated with beautiful discs, composed of the sounds produced by all the powers of the Buddhas. At the bottom of this system is a world called Most Sublime Fragrance, with a Buddha called producing innumerable light beams. Above this, past as many worlds as atoms in 10 Buddha fields, parallel to the world Diamond Banner, is a world called Ornamental Gates of Inconceivably Many Distinctions, with a Buddha called Immeasurable Knowledge. Above this, parallel to the world Endurance, is a world called Beautiful Flower Treasury of the Light of the 10 Directions, with a Buddha called Lion Eye Light Flame Cloud. At the top of this world system is a world called Ocean Sound, with a Buddha called Gate of Light Flames of the Heaven of Waters. Beyond the sea of fragrant water, jewel ramparts of celestial cities, is another sea of fragrant water called Brilliant Light of a Wheel of Flames, with a world system called Unspeakably Many Adornments of All Kinds. Next to that is a sea of fragrant water called Jewel Dust Road, with a world system called Everywhere Entering Infinite Spirals. Next is a sea of fragrant water called Containing All Ornaments, with a world system called Jewel Light Shining Everywhere. Next is a sea of fragrant water called Spreading Jewel Nets, with a world system called Arrayed Deep and Thick. Next is a sea of fragrant water called Beautiful Jewel Array Banners, with a world system called Sound of Clear Understanding of the Ocean of Worlds. Next is a sea of fragrant water called Pure Reflection of the Palace of the Sun, with a world system called Entering Everywhere in Indra's Net.